Hey guys, what's up? Cole here. So today we are going to be repotting these plants. I got them at Lowe's off the clearance rack. I love doing that, honestly. I love going to Lowe's, getting plants off the clearance rack, and then just making them look beautiful again. Love doing that. So that's what we're going to do today with these. Let's do it. All right, so we are going to be starting with these. I think they're so pretty, so I got them. I got two of them because they're that pretty. We're just going to empty out the dirt. Look at those roots. Okay. Those roots are so beautiful. I'm not trying to disturb the roots that much. Just trying to get rid of some of that soil in there. Look how pretty those roots are. So pretty. Love it. And then we're just going to spray them down with some peroxide to clean them. All right. Number 1 down. Go ahead and get number 2 out of the pot. There we go. Look at those roots. Wow. Look at those roots. Awesome. Spray it down with a little bit of peroxide. All right, we got some soil. I think we're going to do this big size. Yeah, I think we'll do this. So we'll start by putting a little bit at the bottom. And then we'll just fill up around it. Simple, easy, love it. We're just patting it. Make the soil get into all the little holes at the bottom. Really settle in there. Here we go. And she's growing a new leaf already. I'm excited to see how she'll do. And then we'll do the same with this. Add a little soil at the bottom. There we go. Number 2 down. Let's go. So the next one we're going to repot is this beautiful girl right here. So excited. The bottom of her leaves are like purple. Top are green. Stripes. So pretty. Love her. She's a little dry, so we're going to give her a little love. We're just going to take the soil out. Take off the dried up leaves at the bottom. Take off that dirt. We're going to spray down with some peroxide. I think this would be a good size for her. Yes. Here we go. There's that beautiful girl. Boom. Next. Same one, just different. Same one. Just different colors. So pretty. I was like, hold up, this looks like the same one. Take off those dried leaves. Peroxide for the roots. I just sprayed myself. Next. Last one. So pretty. Look at that root. Yep. Yeah, she's been needing a good repot. That soil is so wet. That's why I don't like self-watering pots. I really don't. To each their own, but I don't. Peroxide. Here we go. All done. Let's go. All right, guys, that's it. We did it. Repotted all these beautiful plants. I loved how they turned out. Gorgeous. So pretty. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment what you want to see next. Peace.